Our long cherished dream of establishing great Magad University is global leader in the field of academia. Last, but not the least, my dear students, I declare today from this dais that Magad University will always provide you motherly affection and fatherly protection in your every corner of life. At any moment of your life, if you call me, if you call us, Magad University is ready to serve and nurse you like own parent. Lastly, I again and again appeal to you all once more that you, my students, who is on whom the degree is conferring, are the golden fate of Magad University, and your fate is depicted in some lines of Rashtra Kavi Dilkar, that is वैराग्य छोड़ बाहों की. आज मेरे विद्यार्थियों के लिए मेरा संदेश है दीक्षांत समारोह की अवसर पर, वैराग्य छोड़ बाहों को विवाह संभालो, वैराग्य छोड़ बाहों को विवाह संभालो. चट्टानों की छाती से मेरे बच्चे, चट्टानों की छाती से दूध निकालो. चढ़चैल सिंह शिखरों पर सोम पियो रे, कायरों की तरह नहीं, वीरों से सदृश जियो रे मेरे बच्चे. जय हिंद, जय मगध, जय भारत. धन्यवाद.
सचमुच यह उद्घोष है, सेनानी करो प्रयाण, अभय भावी इतिहास तुम्हारा है. ये नखत अमा के बुझते हैं, सारा आकाश तुम्हारा है. अब अनुरोध है कुल सचिव महोदय से आगे की कार्यवाही जारी रखने की.
On the occasion of this annual academic function of this university, I have great pleasure to request Dr. Jabiullah Azdi, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Masal Institute of Higher Education, Kabul, Afghanistan, to address the recipient of the degree present in this convocation.
तालियां बजाकर हम स्वागत करें मगध के उस विशाल साम्राज्य के जिसकी सीमाएं.
Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, and good afternoon. His Excellency Shri Divanand Kumar, Governor cum Chancellor, University of Bihar, dear Professor Arvind Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Magad University, Bodh Gaya, Professor B.P. Shastri, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Magad University, Bodh Gaya, Vice Chancellors and Pro-Vice Chancellor of different universities, Member of Syndicate, Senate, Academic Council, Registrar, Social Activists, Public Representative of Parliament, Assembly and Council, ladies and gentlemen, and the recipients of degree in this convocation, and media persons, ladies and gentlemen. I am very much thankful to you for giving me opportunity to participate in twin convocation of Magad University as the guest of honor. I have certain reservation on your approach because I feel myself as a citizen of global village. And as much I am however a guest, I feel one among you. Because historically, the Magad Empire covered an area from Rajgadi to Kandahar, which is in Afghanistan today. And not only in past, even today when Afghanistan was in trouble, India came to wave the trees of Afghanistan people. Your Sanskrit scripture claim, Visdu Gautam Bukum. The entire world is a family. And in this era of internet, the gap of time and space has been bridged. Every moment link us with global activities happening in any part of the world. As a student of current affairs of political liberties, sometimes I wonder that scientists of politics are more active than the researcher of physics or chemistry or medical science. Let me say one thing, Jat, that just before coming to your function, my friend Professor Arvind Kumar, recently we had been together at Bangalore in one of the international seminar. I had this notion that Professor Arvind is only a scholar of environmental science. I used to consider him a bookworm. But today I had to revise my opinion. Really, he is an environmentalist. This convocation is hallmarks of his dynamic personality. In many universities of my country, the book authored by your Vice Chancellor are very popular. And I am proud to say that your Vice Chancellor, Professor Kumar, is a noted environmental scientist of international repute. Heads of your Vice Chancellor for making this Magad University a global university, as his book have been prescribed in many universities of Asian and European countries. I propose to make Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, between Marshall Institute of Higher Education and Khairat Foundation, which work in 3 areas: translation from different language to Persian and Pashto, and also research and education, with Magad University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India. The Chancellor of University of Bihar, Mr. Devanand Kumar, the avenues on which I propose to make MOU with Magad University shall be international studies, social science, linguistic and religion understanding. Further, I invite the teachers, students and researchers of this university to my university, or interactive studies and exchange of scientific as well as other information. In this context, my university has research and educational foundation will make a formal request to His Excellency, and I request yourself to use me this stage as a friendship stage between your university and my university, and research and education. Honorable Kumar, as I said, Dr. Arvind is an environmentalist. He is a very capable administrator, as I have seen the excellent academic ambience with completely disciplined and noted scientist, author of about 100 original books, and most surprising to me that he has been managing 3 scientific journals which have got international recognition. Professor Arvind, I may get your achievement, your scale, your management capacity, and your academic activities, your love and respect to everybody. Probably I should not be able to complete my citation. Dear friends, we are sitting here to confer degree to the students who have complete course of various academic disciplines of university to serve humanity. Whatever profession you may opt for place to, don't forget that first you are a human being, then a professional. Don't think what your institution has done for you. Please remember what you have done or what you are going to do for the society. Society does not mean to me a select group of people, but to me its connotation is humanity at large. This is what your Bodh Gaya taught to Lord Buddha, or what is emblematic of Paupuri of Mahavir. Even your temple of Lord Vishnu grants salvation to all, irrespective of caste, creed, or religious belief. All of you belong to a place surcharged with rich culture heritage and are expected to maintain the dignity of place or institution you belong to. Never forget your motherland nor your alma mater. मैं चाहता हूं कि हिंदी में कुछ बोलूं। मुझे याद आया एक शेर, ये याद नहीं कि किसका था वो शेर, लेकिन कहता था, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता क्या है रज़ा तेरी। डियर स्टूडेंट, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों के टीचरों का हक आप लोगों से, आपके माँ बाप से ज़्यादा है। प्लीज़ इन्हें बुरे मौके पे अकेला मत छोड़ना, क्योंकि माँ बाप ने तो सिर्फ फिजिकली तुम लोगों को जन्म दिया है, लेकिन तुम्हारे टीचर्स जो हैं उन्होंने रेशनली तुमको जन्म दिया है। इन दूसरी बात यह है कि हम लोग हमेशा मुर्दों को परस्तिश करते हैं, जो जिंदे हैं इन्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हैं। मेरा विश आप लोगों से उम्मीद ये है कि जब तक हमारे जिंदे रहते हैं हमारे प्रोफेसर, हमारे साइंटिस्ट, उस वक्त तक हम उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन जब मर जाते हैं तो कहते हैं वाह क्या बड़ा आदमी था। मेरी तमन्ना आप लोगों से यह है कि इन जिंदों को आप रिस्पेक्ट करें जो रिस्पेक्टेबल और रिस्पेक्टेबल है। डियर स्टूडेंट, दूसरी चीज़ जो मैं आप लोगों को कहना चाहता हूं वो ये है कि आप लोग हमेशा यही ट्राई करें कि एक अपने सोसाइटी में कलेक्टिव कॉन्शियसनेस क्रिएट करें आप लोग, क्योंकि हमें एक ही कॉन्शियसनेस होना चाहिए, क्योंकि सारे देहकान, दुकानदार, ऑटो वाला सब ये आप लोगों का वेट कर रहे हैं बाहर, और इनकी उम्मीद आप लोगों की तरफ है, क्योंकि आप लोग हैं जो सोसाइटी को बनाते हैं और उसे तबाह भी करते हैं। ये मत भूलें कि आप अपने टीचरों के स्किन, ब्राउन एंड बोन से नरिश्ड हुए हैं। इस यूनिवर्सिटी की इज्जत आप लोग हैं। प्लीज़ अगर आप लोगों के दरमियान हैं, दूसरों के दरमियान होते हैं, लेकिन आपकी बिहेवियर, आपकी वैल्यूज और एटीट्यूड ये डिफरेंट होना चाहिए। डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, लेकिन उनके लिए होना चाहिए, लोगों के लिए होना चाहिए। आप लोगों की, प्रोफेसरों की सारी जिंदगी का कैपिटल आप ही है, उनकी सब कैपिटल आप हैं। उन्होंने अपना टाइम वेस्ट की आप लोगों पर ताकि आप उनका नाम बचा सकें। आप अपनी इस नेशन को ये डेमोक्रेसी, फ्रीडम ऑफ मीडिया, इन चीज़ों के धोखा खाने से रोक दें, क्योंकि आप बिहार डेमोक्रेसी सिस्टम बनाए हैं जो दुनिया के डेमोक्रेसी सिस्टम से अलग हो, क्योंकि आजकल हर जगह का अलग डेमोक्रेसी बन रहा है। You should be the 21st century Buddha. Don't proud just about the name of Buddha. Please follow the values, the behavior and the method of life the Buddha. बस मुझे इतना ही कहना था। बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
His Excellency Chancellor Sir, it is my humble submission to request your honor to release this souvenir published on this auspicious occasion on the 20th convocation. Also with the calendar of the university. सभी जितने प्रेसिडेंट अब तक हुए हैं सारे प्रेसिडेंट का बायोस की किस्मत दिया। यह एक जीके का भी बच्चों के लिए बहुत बेहतर थी। फिर दूसरे जितने ऑलमोस्ट ऑल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया दे रहा जी जी। Now, I have a great pleasure to request His Excellency, the Chancellor Sir, the Chairperson cum Chief Guest of this 20th Convocation of the University, as well as our Guardian, to deliver his Convocation address. Big hand!
दूर में रखिए इसको दिस साइड और फंसा हुआ है ना जस्ट वन मिनट क्या होता है आई थिंक दिस गुड इनफ ना रहेगा दीजिए करो रख दीजिए यहाँ रख दीजिए लीव इट हियर Professor Arvind Kumar, Vice Chancellor, Magad University, Professor B.P. Shastri, Pro Vice Chancellor, Vice Chancellors and Pro Vice Chancellors of different universities, Guest of Honor, Professor M. Zabihullah, Vice Chancellor, Mashal Institute of Higher Education, Kabul, Afghanistan, members of Magad University Syndicate, Senate, Academic Council, and other office bearers, registrar, and student welfare dean and public representatives of parliament, assembly and district councils, etc., ladies and gentlemen, and the recipients of degrees in this 20th convocation of the Magad University. At the very outset, I must congratulate recipients of gold medals, numbering about 37, I have been informed. I must congratulate you first. You are fortunate to pass out today to receive your different degrees from this University of Magad. Magad is a very historical, famous name, situated in the same soil of Magad Empire, which is the graveyard of so many kingdoms, where you get the dust of the past and the fragrance of the present. I am delighted to participate in the 20th convocation of Magad University, Bodh Gaya. I have learned that this convocation has been held after a gap of about more than 2 decades. That is, in any case, there had been an interregnum of 2 decades in holding convocations. This is not the case of Magad University alone. there are universities here where convocation hasn't been held since its inception. As I was listening to the speech of our guest of honor, Vice Chancellor, coming from Kabul, it has set in a whole train of thoughts into my mind. We started this convocation. I was feeling so fortunate to start the whole day and convocation function with the unveiling of the statue of Lord Buddha. Bodh Gaya and Kabul, India, Bihar and Afghanistan, they have got historical linkages, as you are well aware. We have unveiled a statue of Lord Buddha today being the full, and the Buddha statue